Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Walls and Ceilings, and welcome to If Walls Could Talk. I'm so honored to have with me today Chris Shamer, who is the Regional Sales Manager for North America for VALTO. Chris, great to see you. Thanks for joining me.
Great to see you. Thanks for having us. We're very happy to be here.
Absolutely. Well, last time we talked, there were some big changes. There was a name change, all kinds of good stuff there. But what's happening? What's new at VALTO?
Yeah, it's been an eventful last 12 months.
Yeah.
We were formerly known as Crane Composites, and last year, around this time, were acquired by KPS Capital Partners, which necessitated a name change.
Okay.
And we landed on VALTO, which is really a blending of the word Vallejo, which means to guard or defend, and it's a reference to the Rialto Theater, where our business started and has its roots some 70 years back, the Rialto Theater in Joliet, Illinois. So we came up with VALTO, and we've been working over the course of the last year to educate the market about the name change and let them know how that materialized.
I love it, and I think and I said this when we talked last time, it's so special and so authentic when you came up with a name that had a lot of meaning behind it.
Yeah, we put a lot of effort into it.
Yes, you did.
There were lots of meetings, and I think we're all very happy with the way that it turned out.
Yes, well, you should be.
Yeah.
I love the meaning behind it. So, well, let's just dive in a little bit more about what's been going on with GLASBOND and what's happening there.
Yeah, our major effort, aside from the name change and educating the market in that regard, was regarding GLASBOND, which is a new product that we launched last year about this time.
Yeah.
And it is a pressure-sensitive, self-adhered FRP panel, which really kind of turns the industry on its ear from an installation perspective.
Yeah.
Normally, FRP is applied to the wall using a troweled-on paste adhesive. That process is very labor-intensive, and it's very messy, and it's expensive.
Sure.
And this turns it kind of on its ear, eliminates the adhesive from the equation, and literally allows you to just remove the release liner from the back of the panel and then apply that panel to the wall. And it decreases installation time by as much as 50 to 60%.
Yeah, it's amazing how fast that can go up. And so where are contractors using this product?
Right now, the product is available in Class C white embossed, which you see here. It's also available in Class C smooth.
Okay.
And I think since our last discussion, we've now come out with a fire-rated product, Class A fire-rated product.
Cool.
So between those three products, you cover the breadth of the majority of FRP usage in commercial projects. Probably 65 to 70% of all projects come from those three products. So you could use this virtually anywhere that you would use standard FRP product.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And now that it's out and in the marketplace, and we've had a number of contractors install it in significant projects, we've developed multiple case studies that are available for review, and we have many points of distribution from stocking distributors across the country.
I love it.
Yeah.
And so are those case studies on your website?
Case studies are available on our website. You can go to valtoem.com, or you could email us at sales@valtoem.com, and we'd be happy to send them to you.
I love it. Well, let's talk about your demos, because I know contractors can even sign up for a demo.
Well, speaking of demos, we've done dozens of demos across the country. We have reps who are available to come to a job site to assist with an installation, or just to do a demo prior to an installation so people can gain some familiarity with the product before it shows up on the job site. Those have been very successful. Best way to get that done is to email us at sales@valtoem.com, and we'll get right back to you and schedule a
I love it. I love it. I think it's so great that you guys are able to go out to the job sites and show them how this works. But what types of jobs are you finding that the contractors are most excited about that are using GLASBOND?
Yeah, restaurants.
Okay.
Schools, particularly commercial kitchens.
Gotcha.
Healthcare facilities.
Okay.
Especially now that we have Class A, because healthcare facilities oftentimes require Class A certification. So that's the majority at the current time.
Because it looks like it wipes off really easy.
Cleans up incredibly easy, and now that we have smooth products, we'll utilize those smooth products in a more specific environment, like food processing facilities, where they have a high wash down cycle, and that smooth surface is a little bit easier to clean than the pebbled surfaces.
Love it. And so you have this other piece here. Is this like
This is a two-piece division bar that we developed that has a landing zone on it and a self-adhesive strip on the back.
Oh, no way. Okay,
So instead of having to staple the trims to the wall like they used to do, now you can simply lay out your trims on the wall, bring your panel edge into the landing zone,
nice.
set the adjacent panel into the other landing zone, and then come right over the top with the cap of the division bar and tap it in.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You guys have thought of everything.
Yeah, all the other trims, the end caps and corner pieces are all two-piece as well.
Okay.
So it's all just snaps together.
Amazing.
No need for any kind of glue or adhesive.
I love it. And so where does everybody go if they want to find out more? What's the website again?
You can go to VALTOEM.com.
Okay.
You can go to GLASBOND.com.
Okay.
Or you can email us at sales@VALTOEM.com and we'll get back to you.
I love it. Well, Chris, thank you so much for joining me. We really appreciate all the insight. Exciting to hear the updates. And if anybody has any questions for us, it is wconline.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content and follow us on all our social media channels. But most importantly, stay safe and healthy. We'll talk to you soon. But Chris, thanks so much for joining me. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Take care.